Howdy everyone, this is Grandpa with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Teaching Apartments. And hey, I'm at the Arrive Upper Kirby. We just saw the living room and the kitchen. It's just stunning. Now, let's go see some bedrooms and bath. We'll start with the master. The master's over here. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. It's got a lovely floor-to-ceiling window. Really nice space over here. It's just so perfect white. It's got a lot of space so you can have that perfect bed, nightstands and everything over here. You've also got just a gorgeous closet that's here. The closet is beautiful. You've got a bath area, and it's just stunning. Look at that tub that's by itself. I love it. And then these views are just right outside of the city for you. Just beautiful. Look at this pristine, gorgeous dual sinks that are here, surrounded by these gorgeous cabinets. And then finally, you've got this beautiful shower, walk-in shower that's here. Just so gorgeous. Hey, that's bedroom number one. Now, let's go see bedroom number two. That's over here. So the bath that's with it is also very pretty, gorgeous also. And then you've got this walk-in shower here too. And this also functions as a guest bath. And then we'll go into the bedroom. The bedroom's also a delight too. So much space in here. And you're gonna have all those floor-to-ceiling windows in here too. And this has a private balcony. So you got a beautiful private balcony out here. And then here's what it looks like. So we go outside and we're seeing some beautiful views here. This is 13th floor, so gorgeous views in here. You can see it's a great area of the city too. A lot of trees, really close to downtown as well. Beautiful area. So the closet, there's a closet there. That's greatness. And then we're back out here. We're gonna go back out in the living room just to get a final peek at that. Hey, if you have questions at any time about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below. We can set up tours, virtual tours. You don't have to come here in person. We can see what's actually available here at the Arrive Upper Kirby just by Zoom, by FaceTime, just by using the phone. So send in a text. We'll create that live tour for you right away.